Hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I told you to prepare 2 chapters. Have you revised it? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what was the special achievement of Santosh Yadav? Digambar Singh? Digambar, can you hear me? Digambar? 9B Digambar.
Ma'am, may I
Can you
answer?
hear me?
Ma'am, may I
Hello?
answer?
Wait, Digambar?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may
Wait,
I
let
answer?
Harshraj? Harshraj? Harshraj, can you hear my voice? Harshraj?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the special achievement of Santosh Yadav? Chapter 8, reach for the top. What was the special achievement of Santosh Yadav? Harsh, you haven't studied? I sent in the group, this was the homework to study 2 chapters. What was the special achievement of Santosh Yadav? Hello?
Can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Okay,
may I
Pragya,
answer?
you answer.
Can
About
I?
that.
Ma'am, she climbed the Mount Everest 2 times.
Yes, Santosh Yadav has this special achievement of climbing the Mount Everest twice. What blessing did the holy man give Santosh's mother, and what did her grandmother reply? What blessing? Siddhi Shri, you raised your hand. What blessing? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Siddhi?
ma'am.
What blessing did the holy man give Santosh's mother?
The holy
And
man gave the blessing of a daughter to her mother.
no,
Ma'am, may I
that she
answer?
want. He
Ma'am,
gave
may I?
the initially he gave the blessing that he would have a son, and then grandmother said that they wanted a girl, and then he blessed. Okay, your answer is right, Ashali. Okay. Then, where was Santosh born? Akriti Sinha 9G. Akriti?
Ma'am, may I?
Akriti, can you hear me? Santosh born? Shreyasi, you have raised your hand. Where was Santosh born?
Ma'am, she was born in a small village of Joniawas of Rewari district of Haryana.
Yes, Santosh was born in the village of Joniawas in the Rewari district of Haryana. Ashish Ranjan 9D, what is the meaning of Santosh? What does Santosh mean? I think Aditya Raj, you wanted to answer?
Ma'am,
What
may
does
I answer?
Santosh? Yes, Aditya, you raised your hand.
Ma'am,
Containment.
ma'am,
Contentment.
containment.
Santosh is a Hindi word. In English, it means contentment.
Ma'am,
Santush. Contentment.
Contentment.
Huh? Which kind of dresses did Santosh prefer to wear? Which kind of dress did Santosh prefer to wear? The girls
Ma'am,
in
she
her village
preferred to
wore
wear shorts.
dresses.
Ma'am, she preferred to wear
Ma'am, she
shorts.
preferred to wear shorts.
Yes, the girls in the village wore traditional dresses, whereas Santosh preferred to wear shorts. What was the tradition in Santosh's village? Nishu Nayan? Nishu Nayan, can you hear me? Nishu Nayan, what was the tradition in Santosh's village, Haryana? Nirbhay, you want to answer? Bhavya has raised her hand. What was the tradition in Santosh's village? Bhavya?
Ma'am, at the age of 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married.
Yes, there was the tradition in her village that girls used to get married at the age of 16. So it was a very traditional Orthodox village, and where gender discrimination was practiced in her village. It was the mentality of parents that girls are meant only for household work. So they did not take any interest in the education of girls. And Santosh was its victim also. What did Santosh threaten her parents about?
Ma'am, she threatened her parents that she would never marry if she didn't get a proper education.
Okay. She threatened her parents that she would not get married unless they provided her proper education. So Santosh had to fight the system. The system was very, very illogical, irrational. Why should girls not be given the opportunity of education? Why should girls be denied? It was very traditional thought, and she had to fight the system. She had to convince her parents that they should support her in getting education. But parents, of course, they were also traditional. So she threatened them that if they did not provide for her education, then she will not get married. What did Santosh do when her parents refused to pay for her education? Santosh left her village and went to Delhi. What did Santosh do when her parents refused to give money for her education? Avinash Kumar Naik.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Avinash
Ma'am, your
Naik,
voice is coming very slow, ma'am.
you can't hear. Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, I can't hear, ma'am.
Is it the problem with everyone?
No, ma'am. No,
Nirbhay, you adjust your connection.
Ma'am, can I reconnect the class?
Yes, you reconnect.
Ma'am, may I
So,
answer?
who wants to answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Aman Raj.
Ma'am,
Nine.
may I?
Aman Raj answer. Aman Raj.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She politely informed them of her plans to earn money by working part-time to pay her school fees.
Yes, very good, Aman. So, yes, very
That's
good. Bolo. She had already determined, she was a very determined girl. She had already determined that she's going to fight against the system. And when her parents refused to pay for her education, then she told them that she could earn extra money by working extra time and pay for her own school fees. Okay. Akshat Arya 9D. Akshat Arya 9D. Where did she get admission after passing the school from Delhi, high school from Delhi? Akshat Arya 9D. Akshat, can you hear me? Ashish Ranjan, book से ही देख के बोलो.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Ashish Ranjan. Anuj Sharan, you want to answer? Anuj? Anuj? Oh, you don't want to answer. Why you haven't studied? This was the homework. Where did she take
It
admission?
doesn't matter I have studied or not.
What?
I don't want to answer.
Why you don't want to answer? It's not a
Because I
matter
don't
of
want to
choice.
answer.
You have to answer because this was the homework. Okay, Advik Pandey, you have raised your hand.
Yes,
Where did she
ma'am.
get admission? Advik?
Ma'am, in Maharani College in Jaipur.
And in which college did she stay?
Kasturba Hostel.
Sorry. She stayed in Kasturba Hostel. Okay. Ayush Kumar 9D. Ayush Kumar, can you hear me? Prashant 9G. How did the desire for mountaineering enter Santosh's mind? What was the beginning? When did the desire for mountain climbing come to her mind? Prashant, can you answer? How did the desire for mountain climbing, when? Jia Chauhan, 9G. Jia, can you hear me? Jia Chauhan. Okay, Shreyasi has raised her hand. When did the desire for mountaineering enter Santosh's mind?
Ma'am,
Shreyasi?
Kasturba Hostel faced the Aravalli Hills, and Santosh Yadav used to watch villagers from her room to going up and suddenly get vanishing. So one day she decided to do it herself, and she did it. And after that, she got determined for mountaineering.
Yes, Shreyasi, very good. So the desire for mountaineering crept into her mind when she used to look out of the Kasturba hostel. She could see the mountaineers climbing the Aravalli hills. So one day she also decided to go just for fun. And she asked the mountaineers that if they will take them along with them. And the mountaineers accepted to take Santosh Yadav along with them. And this was the beginning. This was the beginning of climbing. In which mountaineering course did Santosh Yadav take admission? In which mountaineering course? Aman Raj Naini. Which mountaineering course did Santosh Yadav take admission?
Ma'am, she enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering.
Yes, very good. She enrolled in Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Why couldn't Santosh visit her parents after her semester exams were over? Why couldn't Santosh visit her parents after her semester exams were over in the Maharani College? Who will answer? Supriya? Supriya?
मैम आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है मैम.
सुप्रिया आवाज नहीं आ रहा. भाव्या ने हाथ उठाया. Okay, Bhavya, you answer. Why couldn't she visit?
Hello. Ma'am. Ma'am, can I say answer?
Can I? Who? I can't see. On. Pragya Shreyasi का हाथ है ऊपर.
Ma'am,
और
can I? Nirbhay?
okay. Yes. Why couldn't
Yeah,
she visit parents?
She had got herself enrolled for a mountaineering course without seeking his permission from his father.
Okay. And the mountaineering course would begin immediately after her semester exams. College semester was over in April, in the end of April, but somehow it extended to May. And college semester exams were over in May, on May 19th, and she had to take admission on May 21st. So that is why she did not get the time to visit her parents. Okay. What are the skills required for mountaineering? What are the qualities and skills required to be a successful mountaineer?
Ma'am, iron will, physical endurance, and mental toughness.
Climbing
Yes.
skill, physical fitness, and mental strength.
So, yes, mountaineering is not an easy job. You need an iron will, strong will, and you also need physical endurance. Your body should be very strong. Endurance means what? Who will say the meaning of endurance? Anshu Raj 9G, what is the meaning of endurance? Anshu Raj, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Nishu
ability
Nayan?
to survive in difficult
Ma'am, the
conditions.
ability to do something
Ma'am,
painful.
the ability to survive in difficult conditions.
Yeah. I'm in difficult conditions are very difficult because at higher altitude, oxygen in the air is less. And so your body should have a lot of and
Ma'am, your sound is buffering.
cannot climb mountains. Oh. Why was the year 1990 important? Why was the
Yes, ma'am.
year 1992 important Santosh Yadav's life?
Ma'am, because this was the year when she climbed Mount Everest
What
first.
did she achieve in?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Her F. This is not clear.